What's good, guys? It's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys read by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys some more home updates. So I'm currently in my dining room slash home office area because I need to put curtains up in here. So I wanted to show you guys me putting those curtains up, how it looks before and then how it will look after, and then we'll get into the rest of the updates that I have around my home. So first I'm going to show you guys the curtains and then show you kind of what it looks like without it, and then what it looks like with the curtains up. And so guys, this is the current space here. As you guys can see, I am kind of going with the same theme in here as I did with my curtains. So I'm just going with kind of like a black and white theme. It does have like gold and gray as well, but I kind of wanted to just stick with the black and white. So hopefully these curtains will look really, really nice in this area and just kind of help fill in the wall here. And as you guys can see, I'm kind of going with like a full theme throughout my home of the same thing. So this is what it's looking like, and hopefully everything matches up. And so these are the curtains that I got. It comes with 4 panels, so it has 2 white and then 2 black and white with the stripes. So as you can see, that kind of matches the theme. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang these up here. I just went ahead and stuck with this all black curtain rod, and I just have some nail wall tacks that I'm gonna attempt to hang it with. So we'll see if we can get these up and see how much it transforms the space. These are the little latches or hanging hooks that go on the curtains up like this, but they're kind of made funny, so I'm not sure about the back of them. So we're gonna see how we can get these up there, because I've never seen, have y'all seen something like this before? Because they look, more than what I thought. So I'm just using this little hammer here, and I'm gonna use this one to get this attachment here, and we're gonna put the curtains on it. really cute. I think they tie in with the rest of what I have going on in here really well. So I think that they're really pretty, and they were really easy to hang up, more than what I thought. I think I'm just gonna have to get up there and adjust that stick some, because I did stretch it out a little bit too long just to make sure it would fit all the way across. But for the most part, I think they are cute. And then if you get up on it, you can really see the detail in the curtain. I think they just give the room a little bit more. And I also think it ties in really well with the rug that I have going on in here as well, which I'm gonna change this desk setting. I just had my old vanity and I just turned it into a desk, but I'm gonna get like an actual table desk in here, and then I'm gonna take this out. But yeah, I like the curtains. And I also tied them, guys, to see if I would like this look better. So let me know if it all straight looks good or if it tied looks better. So the next thing that I wanted to show you is here on my porch area. So I bought these little lantern things a couple of weeks ago, and I decided to put them on my porch. Also this little stand and this plant, and just my porch area here, and it's just in the corner here off of the porch. But I do have to do some sweeping and stuff out here, guys, that says hello. But once I clean it off a little bit more, I will show you guys like the full transformation. And then, guys, I got these really cute mirror zebra pictures, and I thought that they would be really cute in my room, so I'm going to go ahead and add these into my room. Now, I'm not sure which way they go, upside or going long ways, but I think they go just facing side by side. So I am going to go ahead and put these up and show you guys what they look like. I thought that they were really pretty. I'm technically not a zebra fan, but I think I like these. And now that I've got them up, guys, here is what they look like. I'm not sure why my walls are kind of showing up yellow in some clips, but this is the actual wall color, and I think that they look really pretty up against the walls. So I really do like them. And then, guys, I did add some additional pictures in my room. So I added this picture here, and I am going to put like a little sofa under it, but I think it is beautiful and it really ties in with my room. You can see it when you come right in from the room, and then right off to the bathroom as well. And then I also ordered this picture here, the Sweet Dreams picture, just to go right above my bed here.